And now you know what I have to do.
Yeah, for every... Yeah, see, I thought the rods were going to come out on the other side of that, but yeah, that makes sense. So you just went through the brick. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the one end of it over here.
Yeah.
But for fire, I gotta actually go well.
I'll be right back. We're hanging up the awnings. See that? There's one. This is going to be all the way down there. And we custom fabricated these awnings. And the awnings are over here.
See the holes over there that are in there?
Right.
See all those big ones?
Yeah.
Well, that's what the holes for the awning should actually be, so you can adjust it.
Right.
But mine are really small. So I'm going to be more dead on.
They got all the wood for the plywood up for the bathrooms. That's cool. Plywood up on the wall. It's all sort of roughed in, ready for tiling. There's the walk-in freezer. Oh, and they got some more new panels there. Doesn't work yet, but more paneling. Got the sink in here. Working on getting the sink in there. Awnings, awnings, awnings. Look at all this kitchen stuff. That's new. It's the manager's office right here, full of junk. Internet wires coming down. I asked for a window here, to like a one-way mirror, but I don't think I'm gonna get that.